I really love to scrapbook, rubber stamp, and make cards and do adult coloring. So when Hotu sent me this 50 pack of markers, I could not wait to try them. First of all, check out this little zipper case. It holds them nice and secure with a little handle. And here's all your markers. One thing I really thought was cool is that they enclose this little liner that you can put between your pages so that the ink doesn't bleed through onto the next page. Another thing I really liked was that they gave you this card. Now this was blank, but I filled it in with each of the colors that come into the kit. And then that way you can just kind of glance at it. Instead of just looking at the little marker tip, you'll get a better idea of what the ink is going to look like. Each of these markers has a brush tip and a fine tip. Another great thing about this set is that this marker right here, the number 0, this is the blending pen. So it's just like the other markers. It has the fine tip and the brush tip. So once you've placed a few colors together, you can just blend it in with this marker right here. You just go over it, and I'll show you in just a second so you can see how it looks, but it just turns out so beautiful. Now there's 50 markers, including this one. There's a great selection of colors for skin tones and other colors. Let's go ahead and take a look at how they work. So first I'm going to take the liner sheet and stick it between the pages. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and start coloring this little sock in here and just making little circular motions so that way it stays nice and blended. So here we have 3 different colors, and we're just going to kind of go over it like this, and that way they just kind of flow into each other. And it kind of gives it more of a watercolor effect. So if you'd like a lighter watercolor effect, go over it with the 0 marker. And if you'd like a bright, bold color, then just use them straight. These markers are great too if you take a rubber stamp and you can color on it with a brush marker and then stamp it on your paper. That way you don't have to have all the kinds of ink pads. You can just use all the colors of the markers. I really love this set, and I think you will too.